Chapter 6 Fun with Logo. Topics covered. Starting MSW logo. Parts of MSW logo screen. MSW logo commands. Exiting MSW logo. MSW logo is a simple language we can use to give instructions to a computer. Logo stands for logic-oriented, graphic-oriented. We can use logo to draw figures, do simple calculations and to type the text. Starting MSW logo. To start MSW logo, follow these steps. Click on Start. Select all apps. Click on Microsoft Windows logo greater than Microsoft Windows logo. Parts of MSW logo screen. The window that opens on starting MSW logo displays a small triangle in the center. This is known as turtle. This position of the turtle is called the home position. The turtle has two parts, head and tail. The pointed top of the turtle is known as the head and the bottom part of it is known as the tail. The logo window is divided into two parts. Main screen. Commander window. Main screen. It is the area where the turtle moves. We can draw pictures on this screen. It is also called graphic screen. Commander window. It is the smaller area under the main screen where we can type commands. It has two parts dash. Input box is the space where we type commands. After we type a command, we press the enter key or click on the execute button. Recall list box displays the commands that have been executed. MSW logo commands. We can use various commands to move the turtle on the screen. The logo commands are called primitives. When we write primitives one after another, this set of primitives is known as program. Let us study some of the commands widely used in MSW logo. Forward command. We use the forward or FD command to move the turtle forward. We need to type the number of steps by which we want the turtle to move. For example, the command FD40 will move the turtle forward by 40 steps. Back command. We use the back or BK command to move the turtle back. We need to type the number of steps by which we want the turtle to move back. For example, the command BK40 will move the turtle back by 40 steps. Cyber tidbits. We can move the turtle back using FD command by adding a minus, dash, sign before the command. Likewise, adding a minus sign to BK command moves the turtle forward. Right command. We use the right or RT command to turn the head of the turtle to the right. We need to type the number of degrees we want the turtle to turn. For example, the command RT90 will turn the head of the turtle right by 90 degrees. Left command. We use the left or LT command to turn the head of the turtle to the left. We need to type the number of degrees we want the turtle to turn. For example, the command LT45 will turn the turtle to the left by 45 degrees. Home command. We use the home command to bring the turtle to the center of the screen. The turtle draws a line as it moves to the home position. CS command. We use the clear screen or CS command to erase the drawing on the main screen. Also, the turtle returns to the home position. CT command. We use the clear text or CT command to erase the commands in the recall list box. HT and ST commands. The hidden turtle, HT, is used for hiding the turtle so that we can see the drawing more clearly. Hide the turtle and then give a command like FD50. The turtle will still draw a line even though we cannot see the turtle on the screen. After hiding the turtle, if we want to see the turtle again, we use show turtle, ST, command. It displays the turtle back on the main screen. Exiting MSW logo. After finishing the work in logo, we must exit logo. There are two methods to exit from logo. Type by command in the input box and press enter key or execute button. Or click on file menu. Click on exit option.